Do you remember last class? What are the basic directions?
North, south,
So
or
east, west, north, south.
east,
Okay.
west.
Did I have directions, sir?
So
So
northeast,
northeast, southeast, northwest, and southwest.
southwest.
Yeah, we can also call them as corners, right?
Yes, sir, corners.
Corners. Yeah. Remember this diagram?
Yes, sir.
If a person standing at origin and if he is facing north, his right hand shows east, correct?
Yes, sir.
Left hand shows
West.
West.
west. If person is facing south, right hand,
West.
yes. Person facing west, left hand,
East.
So it is
person
south, sir.
facing west.
South,
Yeah, it is
sir.
south. Person facing west, right hand shows
North.
North.
north. Person facing east, left hand shows
So
North.
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 north only. Person facing south, left hand shows
Sir, east.
east. Very good. And without this diagram, I'll ask the same questions. Okay, now tell me. Person facing north, right hand shows
East.
So east.
person facing east, right hand shows
So south.
South.
person facing west, left hand
South.
So south.
south one.
South.
Very good. Person facing south, right hand shows
So west.
West.
west. Very good. North opposite is
South.
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 south opposite,
North.
North.
north. East opposite,
West.
West.
west, and west opposite
East.
East.
east. Okay. And we have done one model questions, right? What is that model? Rotation based problems. So instead of drawing diagram, we can go with the angles only directly. We can deal with the angles, right? We have to find the what is the equivalent angle of all these angles.
पापा
Is
पापा
that-
इधर आ
Aditya,
सकते
can you
हैं?
mute yourself?
इधर आएंगे क्या पापा?
Aditya, can you mute yourself?
I think he muted.
Sorry, sir. Sir.
Right. Next, we are moving on to the next model, that is distance based problems. Sorry, direction based problems. And later we'll see distance based also. See, first question. If a person is walking towards north, one second. Yeah, if a person is walking towards north, what is the direction he should follow so that he is walking towards west? To go towards west. Actually, he is moving towards north. He should go towards, tell me.
Left, left.
Finally, he should go towards west, right? Yes,
Yes.
or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Simply one
So
left is
option B
required.
is correct. So option B is correct.
Okay, let me explain the point first.
How did it
Simply one left is required, right?
It should
Yes or
be
no?
left.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, if a person is moving north, simply by taking one left, he will go towards west. So one left is required. And tell me one thing here. Suppose if a person is facing north, he has taken one right turn and again one left turn. What will be his direction?
So it will be north again. It will be the
North
same
again.
position.
North only.
Yes. Suppose the person is facing south, he has taken one left and one right again.
So
Then-
south. South.
South again means one left and one right. We can cancel those two.
Yes,
Yes
sir.
or no?
Yes.
Yeah.
Oh.
So in this
Yes, sir.
also we have to do the same.
Okay.
One right and one left cancel, remaining one right. But we need one left now.
Left.
Yeah.
So we
this is
need
not
one
our-
left. So that is option B or C.
Yes, this is left is remaining. This is the option B. Next here.
So it's possible for
left
C
and
also.
right. Yeah, it is possible for C also. Next, left, left, left. We cannot take these three lefts. So if you take three lefts, it will be one time left west, second time left west,
East.
sorry, second time left south, and third time left it will be east direction. So it cannot be the answer. Then answer may be either B or C. Both are possible. Both are possible here. And here order is not mandatory. Order is not a matter here. Order is
If
not.
I
a
have
thing
any
here.
doubt, I can post it in the discussion, right?
Yeah, you can post it in the discussion, and because the topic is not over it, I also not posted this PDF in our Wise app.
Okay, sir.
So today I'll post
So
it.
give these questions like separately.
Even the separate questions also you can post in our
Okay.
group. Okay. Right. Is it clear? First question. So here
Yes, sir,
actually
clear.
there should be an option like both B and C. This is our answer, right?
Yes, sir.
Both B and C, both are correct. Yeah. Next question. See. Afternoon. Okay. Shadow. Is there any shadow? No. Okay. Priya starts walking. Priya starts walking in the afternoon, facing the sun. So afternoon, what is the direction of sun? In which direction will find sun?
Sir, above our head.
In the morning, what is the sun direction?
In the east.
East.
In the east. In the evening,
West.
West.
west. After sunrise, immediate after sunrise,
East,
east. Immediate before sunrise, sunset,
west,
west. Before noon,
East.
east only, na? After noon,
West.
west. So exactly noon we cannot say. Exactly noon we cannot say.
Sir,
But we can
exactly
say
noon,
before
sir,
noon.
directly over our head, right?
Sorry.
At noon, it's directly over our head, right? Sun.
Yeah, that's why. Exactly at noon, it will be overhead only. We cannot say is it another direction, sorry, east or west. But afternoon, it will be towards west only. Okay. Facing the sun, she is walking means initially she is walking in towards which direction?
West.
West. That is the initial direction. So initially she is walking towards west. After some time she took a right turn. Okay, one right. And later she turned left again. Okay, left. And also another left. Again, also left. That's all. In what direction Priya is moving now?
South.
South.
Yeah, simply by cancelling one right and one left, we can consider this left. So one left from west will be
South.
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 That's the answer. Easy? Yes or no? But here you are not given the initial direction directly. You are given with the indirect. So base using sun. Okay. And what is there in the chat box? Okay. Okay. No issue. Try to give the answer for this question. Anyone? Answer this. Answer. What happened?
Sir, north or south, sir?
North or south?
Yes,
Okay.
sir, north or south.
Okay. Let me verify. Anu started walking, positioning his back towards the sun. Back is towards the sun means he is facing opposite to sun. Means what is the direction of sun?
Sir, it will be
So
west
it's either east or west.
Yeah,
or
because he has not mentioned that morning or evening or before noon or afternoon or sunrise, sunset. He has not mentioned anything. That's why we have to take the two possibilities. It can be east or west. So if sun is in the west direction, his facing will be east. If his sun is in the east direction, his facing will be west. Okay. After some time, he turned left. left, then turned right, then left again. So one left, one right, and one left. So here, after cancelling one right and left pair, and the remaining will be left only. So one left from east is
North.
north, and one, or this is our case because we don't know either this or this. We can't say. That's why one left from west is
So south.
south. So these are the two possible answers, either south or north. So answer is correct. That is option A. Next. Yeah. Try to answer this question. Okay. Answer. Finally, question is, in which direction would she be driving? Means that is finally.
Sir, 3 kilometer east.
So are
3
we supposed
kilometer
to
east.
tell you the answer, or are we supposed to say it outside?
Your wish. Anything is okay. You can
Okay, so
say
then I-
option
So 3 kilometers east.
3
Yes, 3
kilometer
kilometers.
east. 3 east. Okay. Most of the students are telling the same option. Okay. Let me verify. Here the direction also. Here the distance is also given. Asked. How far also? Okay. Distance is also asked. Did you draw the diagram?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
All
It
of
looked like a rectangle to me.
Okay. Let me explain this question in both the methods, with the diagram and without diagram using shortcut. Okay, we'll see both the methods. With the diagram is not the shortcut method. That is a general conventional method only. And without using diagram also, we can solve this question. Okay, let me explain first with the diagram. Asha drives 6 kilometers towards west. Okay, towards west 6 kilometers. Then she turns to right. Right means upwards or downwards?
Sir, upwards, sir, north.
Yeah, while drawing the diagram, you should be careful with one thing here. What is that thing is, distances should be proportionate. Distances should be proportionate. Proportionate means length, more length we have to draw more lengthy line. If it is less, we have to draw small line, shorter line. Okay, compared to 6, can I take this as 3?
Yes,
Yes or
sir.
no? Okay, then she turns again and drives towards right. Okay, towards right, and drives 6 kilometers. So right means this line is a vertical line and up arrow. That's why this side is right, correct? Okay, right side, and this is 6 kilometers. Is the diagram is correct?
Yes, sir.
Correct?
No, sir, like the 6 is too long in the second case.
Yes, correct. So if one distance is defined already, we have to take that distance only. Same distance only we have to take because it is already defined. So 6 is already defined. That's why we have to take the same length, 6. Another 6 also same length. So that's all. This is the initial position and it is the final position. Initial position and final position. And the question is, how far is she from the starting point? So this is the starting position and it is the final position. Now what is the distance? How far is this?
So 3
So to find the
kilometers.
distance, yes. So to find the distance here, the helpful diagram is rectangle, right? Shape.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So in a rectangle, opposite sides are equal. So if this is 6 means it should be 6. So okay, it's already 6. If it is 3 means it should be 3, right? So that's why 3 meters or 3 kilometers.
Yes,
3
sir.
kilometers. And the direction, he's asking for direction also.
East, sir.
In which direction would she be driving? So
East.
finally she is driving towards,
Sir,
East,
east.
sir.
yes, finally she is driving towards east. Suppose if my question, for the same data, if my question is, in which direction is is she now with respect to starting point?
So north.
Yes, very
3
good.
kilometers
With
north.
respect to starting point, she is towards north. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Suppose my question is, in which direction is she now from the starting point?
Sir, could you repeat?
In which direction is she now from the starting point? Same.
The north.
Itself, sir.
Yes, north only with respect to, of, from, and to. All these words in directions represent the reference. Who is the reference? Okay, in my question, in this question, initial position is the reference, right? Yes or no? Generally in directions,
Yes, sir.
reference will take it as origin. Origin will consider as a reference point. Okay, so this is the procedure, and you have completed the diagram, and you have given the answer. Correct? 3 meters, 3 kilometers, and finally she is moving towards east. Correct. And shall we see the same question without this diagram, without taking the diagram?
Yes, sir.
Okay, see. You have to write the given information in this format. Which format is? Asha drives 6 kilometers towards west. So towards west it is 6 kilometers. And turns right. So west to right means right of west. I asked in the beginning only, class beginning only.
Sir, north.
So that is south.
No, west right.
Sir, north.
The south.
Sorry,
north,
north,
sir.
sir.
North.
North.
West right is north. Don't forget those basic things. So this is west, right side and left side. Right side is towards north, right? Correct? Yeah. Right is north, and northwards the distance is 3 kilometers. And again she drives towards right again. So from north right means
East.
East.
east. What is the distance?
6 kilometers.
6 kilometer again. 6 kilometer. That's all. Information is over, and we have written this complete information, complete data in a single line. This one. So here you have to use this thing. Use this thing. What is the thing is?
Sir, west and east are opposites, so we have to consider only the 3 kilometers.
Yes, correct.
Sir, could you explain again?
Okay, I'll explain again. Just see these points first. If they are of same polarity, okay, I'll write 1, 2, 3. First point is, if they are of same polarity means north, same polarity is north again, correct? South is
Yes,
south,
sir.
same
Same
polarity.
polarity we
South.
have to add, different we have
Yes.
to subtract.
Yes, correct. So if this is the case, we have to do add. We have to do addition. You have to use plus. And this different polarity or opposite polarity means opposite polarity. Opposite polarity means north opposite is south. South opposite
North.
north. East opposite.
Sir, so if it's northwest, then what would we do?
They will not comes under any in these two categories. We have to take them directly, and that's the corner. North and west, it will be a corner. Directly we can say this one. This as the answer, northwest.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Sir, but if we're thinking like that northwest, then southeast would be the same. It would be opposite polarities, right?
Yes. If it is the ideal case, northwest opposite polarity will be southeast.
Okay.
Ideal case means if you consider 45 degrees, that will be the ideal case. Actually, it has a range. It is the region, correct? Northeast is a region. Yes or no? That is the region
Yes,
between north and east. Yesterday I told this point already. But if we consider a particular line with 45 degrees and 45 degrees, that will be the ideal case.
Okay, sir.
Okay. And the third point is, see here the third point. Sir, it is okay if both north will consider north and both south will consider south, both east will consider east only. But in this case, if one is north, one is south, after taking the difference of which direction we need to consider, here we have to take the difference. Which direction we need to consider in this case? Whichever is,
One with greater.
yeah, whichever is greater or bigger, we have to consider that direction. Bigger direction we need to consider. So once see these points again. If they are same polarity, we have to add them. If they are opposite polarity, we have to subtract them, and we have to consider the bigger element direction. Okay. And with these points, I'm moving to the question again. Yeah, this is our question. Somebody asked, is it clear? Or once again, I need to explain.
So could you explain?
Okay, I'll explain this point also again. See. Without drawing the diagram, for one person journey, this is the best method. Something happened. What happened? Okay. Is the question visible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, it is.
Okay. Okay. We have to draw. We have to take the given information, complete information in this format. Which format is? Asha drives 6 kilometers towards west. Initially, it is west, and it is 6 kilometers. Then turns right. From west, if you turn right, the direction will be
North.
sorry, north. Yeah.
North.
Distance is how much distance?
3
3 kilometers.
kilometers.
And then she turns again right. From north, if you turn right, it will be
East. 6
east.
kilometers.
And the distance is
6 kilometers.
6 kilometers. That's all. Okay. Total information is now in this box. Okay. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Jain, now is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay, see. Now here apply that same polarity and opposite polarity concept. So here there is no same polarity or opposite polarity of north. I'm taking directly north 3. Okay. Next, east and west, same polarity or opposite polarity?
Opposite.
Yes,
Sir,
opposite polarity. We have to,
Opposite.
yeah, we have to take the, sorry, 6 and 6
Subtract
only.
them. Subtract them. And then
Yeah, subtract them. So if you subtract 6 minus 6, it will be 0. And the finally towards north, it is 3 kilometers. Final
Yes.
position is towards north, it is 3 kilometers.
yes.
Okay.
Sir.
And here the question is how far means directly we can say it is 3 kilometers. Okay, 3 kilometers. And the second question is in which direction she would be driving finally. So final direction is this one. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Initially this one, in the middle it is, and finally this is the direction. But
Sir,
what is this
the
north?
direction which is
Can
at
anybody
the
say what is this north? This north is the direction with respect to the starting point, final position with respect to the starting point. Yes or no? See the diagram once. Finally, she is in which direction with respect to starting point?
Sir, she is south of the starting point.
No.
north.
From the starting point, I'm asking. From the starting point, she is in which direction now? Finally,
North.
She's in north.
yeah, north. That is this north. Okay, if you do one more question with the same idea or with the same shortcut, we can get clarity. Okay, see the next question.
Sir,
Sir,
so
Okay, the
this,
question is,
the last direction they have,
sorry,
you have to consider the last direction they have given.
because the question is last direction. So see, the question is in which direction would she be driving? Means
Yes,
that
sir.
is finally. So that's why we have given this one as the answer, east.
Okay, sir.
Suppose if the question is in which direction is she with respect to starting point, then it will be north only. Okay.
Yes,
So,
sir.
sir, like if there are turn-based questions, you have to use this one.
Which one?
So the polarity thing, sir. If there is turns, then only we can use it, right?
Yes. Where we have to use that polarity shortcut is for 1 person journey. For 1 person journey. So he started in this direction and towards left and again right, then left again, then right again, then left again. He may give any number of directions, any number of turnings. So we can use that shortcut. For 1 person journey, that is the best method. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next to see, question is now means in directions, now means finally at this point of time. Which direction is the rat facing? So he is asking only for facing. Here we don't need to consider the distances. Because he is asking for only facing direction. Here we don't need to consider the distances. Simply we can ignore the distances and directly we can take a right and left concept on. So initially rat is facing which direction? Tell me.
Sir, north.
East.
Oh, east given. Underline that
east.
part to see.
Okay, okay.
Okay, from there, first right. Yes or no? Then
Yes,
again,
sir. Then turns to the right again.
right again. Next again,
Left,
left. Next,
left,
left. Next,
left.
left. That's all. Turnings are over, correct? And what is the final facing direction? That is the question. So what we can do here? We can cancel right and
The
left,
left
right and left pairs. We can cancel directly. And simply one left from east is our answer. One left from east is
North.
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 That's all. That's the answer.
Sir, but I didn't understand those numbers, sir. There's an apostrophe, there's an inverted comma.
So that inverted commas is inches. You know inches?
Oh, yeah, understood, sir.
Inches. Okay, is this method is clear?
Yes, sir.
It's clear.
See, many if you give this question to anyone, simply they will draw the diagram by considering all these numbers, and finally also they will get the same answer, north only, and without drawing anything and without doing anything, and even all the distances are mentioned also, we are not considered any distance because our question is not based on distance, final facing direction. Okay, even though all the distances are given, and if he is asking for only final facing direction, we don't need to consider distances. Is that point clear?
Sir, telling the truth, I used to do the same, sir. I used to draw the diagram.
Sorry, what, Bhargav?
Sir, telling the truth, even I used to draw the diagram, sir. For these sort of questions.
Yes, yes. So first of all, we have to see the question. What is the question is? So the question is final facing direction. Okay, we don't need to consider the distances. So where to consider the distances is?
So
Where the distance is asked.
when they ask about distance.
When they ask about distances, and as well as one more case is there. What is that is one position with respect to another position. If the question is based on one position with respect to another position also, we have to consider distances. Okay. And let us do one more question and later we'll move on to another type. Alok walked 30 meters, but here the question is finally towards which direction is he from the starting point? Yeah, here he has given from the starting point. So means here we need to consider distances or no need to consider distances? Tell me this point.
No need to
You have to
consider.
consider the distances.
We have to consider, even only direction is asking, but that is with respect to another point. That's why we need to consider distances. We need to consider. Okay, we need to consider distances. Okay, but here also we don't need to draw the diagram. Okay, Alok walked 30 meters towards east. Okay, east towards 30. Then turned right. East to right means?
So south.
South. What is the next distance?
40.
40. Next left or right? Right. South to right means?
West. West.
West. Distance
West. 50.
50 meters. That's all. Yeah, over. Now see. Here south is having no polarity. There is no polarity and there is no opposite polarity for south. That's why I'm taking south directly 40. And east and west same polarity or opposite polarity?
Opposite polarity.
Opposite polarity.
Oh. they
Opposite
have
polarity,
opposite
we have to
polarity.
take the difference. What is the difference of 30 and 50?
20.
20, which is bigger?
West is bigger.
West.
West is bigger. That's all. Our answer is ready. Southwest is our answer. Okay. Towards which direction is he from the starting point? From the starting point to the final position, the direction is southwest.
Sir, if they asked us, like in the previous question, they asked us about how far is it from the.
Yeah,
from
if
the-
it is how far, okay. As in the previous question, if he has given for this question also how far, simply we have to do one thing. Here there are two numbers, 40
Yes.
and 20. We have to do this case under root of 40 square plus 20 square. Here, because we cannot get a perfect number, that's why he has not given the that question for this.
Oh, okay, sir.
Okay, so answer for this question is southwest, right? And we'll do this type of questions also now only in the next exercise. I'm going to another model. Another model means considering distances, distance based problems. Yes, see. Here the question is from my house I walked, sorry, this is not worked, this is walked 5 kilometers towards north. Okay, I'm taking, what is the question here? How far? Yeah, distance is asked. That's why we need to consider distance. So initially north, the distance is how much? Initially
5.
5.
towards
Okay, from there I turned right. Right means north to right.
Sir, east.
East. What is the next distance?
3.
3 kilometers.
3 kilometers. Then again left or right? So directly has given south. So again I went 1 kilometer south. Okay, towards the south 1 kilometer. That's all, right? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So this is his house and he started from his house and he reached some point. This point, this is the final position. So this is initial and it is final. But here the question is how far am I from my house? So here he is asking for shortest distance or traveled distance.
The shortest distance.
Yeah,
Shortest
far
distance,
nothing but
displacement.
shortest distance only. Shortest distance only. Tell me north and south comes under which category? Same polarity or opposite polarity?
Opposite polarity.
Opposite polarity. Opposite polarity, which is bigger, north or south?
Sir, north.
North.
North is bigger. What is the difference? 5 and
So
1?
4 is the difference,
4.
sir.
4 is the difference. And the next E will not comes under any category. That's why I'm taking directly E. How much? 3.
3 kilometers.
That's all. The direction is towards northeast, but he's asking for the distance. That's why we have to use this thing. Under root of 4 square plus 3 square. How much? 16 plus 9.
25.
25. Under
The
root of
answer is
25
5.
is 5. That's all. 5 kilometer is the answer. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Do one thing after class when you are free, try to draw the diagram and compare that method, that diagram method with this. Then you will be clarified with this method. You will get clarity, complete clarity.
Yes.
Okay. We'll go to the next question. Okay, clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And this one, see.
So can we do this one on our own?
Okay, try first. Don't draw the diagram. Okay. Then only if you have any doubts,
Yes, sir.
then I can clarify now. Here the
Yes.
question is how far distance you need to mention, you need to tell.
Sir, answer is 5.
Okay, 5 kilometer. Okay. Anyone confirm the answer?
Yes, sir.
Any
5
other?
kilometers.
5 kilometers only. Okay, let me verify the answer.
So one second, let me
Uh,
check it again.
Okay. Ram started walking towards east. Okay, I'm doing it. Towards east distance is? Tell me.
1
So 1
kilometer.
kilometer. Yes, sir. It's
Okay, you
5
had
only.
given directly south,
Five only.
north, east, west, no
Yes,
right,
sir.
left
That's
answer.
it.
There is 5 only.
That's why it is somewhere better. South distance is
5,
5
5.
kilometers.
Next, east distance is
2,
2.
2. And finally, north distance is
9 kilometers.
9.
9
So it's
kilometers.
5 only.
No, where?
No, sir, I'm telling the answer is 5.
Okay. Okay. North and south opposite polarity. Which is bigger?
So
North.
north. So, and 4.
North is bigger. The difference
the
is
difference is 4.
4.
4. Okay. And
Same.
east and east same polarity. We have to add them.
E3. E3.
And adding them 3. Actually, direction is towards northeast, but the distance. Okay. In your free time, try to do one more thing. Try to practice some triplets. Right angle triangle triplets. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Suppose
Pythagorean
x,
triplet.
y, and r values. Can you tell me some values for x, y, and r?
Sir,
The 4, 3,
3,
5.
4, and 5,
Yeah, we got one. That is 3, 4, and 5. Okay.
6, 8, and 10.
Okay. Any common multiples will be
Sir, 13,
triplets
12,
again.
5.
5,
Yes,
12, and
Sir,
13.
5, 12, and 13.
Very good. 5, 12, and 13. Correct. Next. That's all.
25, 7, 25,
6, 8, and 10.
25.
7,
Then I
25.
think 64. 8. What is the sum?
Sir, it's 24,
689. No, it is not a perfect square. Okay.
24, 7, 25.
20. Yeah, correct. 24 and 7. It will be 25. Correct.
Sir, 20,
So-
21, 29.
576 and 49. It is 625. 24 and 7. It will be 25. And 20.
21 and
21 will be
sir.
29. Correct. Yes, correct. So you can interchange x and y, but we should not interchange r. R is separate. Correct.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir, is the
Yeah,
hypotenuse.
3 and 4 results in 5. Not 4 and 5 results in 3, or not 5 and 3 results in 4.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So in your free time, try to do some practice on these things. Because just by seeing 3 and 4, we should go to the option D. We should go to the option 5 without doing all that small calculations. Okay. One more question. How far? Here also is asking for distance one. But the question is, how far did he ride northwards initially? Directly by seeing the question, we can say the answer, I think. See, a boy
Yes, sir.
rode his bicycle northwards. Then he turned left. And rode 1 kilometer. Okay, he has not given the initial
It goes 2 kilometers.
initial distance is not given. Okay, see, towards north is not known. And from there, he turned left. North to left means
So west.
West.
west. Distance is 1
2
kilometer.
kilometers.
1 kilometer.
One is given. And then again left. West to the
South.
left means
South.
south. Next distance is
2 kilometers.
2 kilometers. Then he found himself exactly 1 kilometer west of his starting point. So finally, the result of this is 1 kilometer west of the starting point.
So 2.
Yeah, yes, correct. So to get this result from this, to get that result, what should be this number?
Sir, it should cancel, sir. So it's 2.
So these two must be
2.
cancelled. To cancel these two, it should be 2. So answer
Yes.
is 2 kilometer. Simple. Okay. We'll
Yes, sir.
move on to next question. Okay, we'll do this question and we'll move on to another type. We'll change the model.
Yes, sir.
You do this question first. How many kilometers will he have to cycle to reach his home straight? Okay, means he is asking for the reverse. Means after reaching the final position, to reach the starting point again, how much distance he has to travel? That is the question. means that is nothing but shortest distance only.
Sir, can't we just add all the distance?
No, no, no.
Okay, sir.
So he's given, he has used the word see. He has to reach the starting point in the straight way. Suppose he may use this path and then this path and then this path and then this path and then this path. But he is asking for this straight distance, not all the distance. Okay, what is the shortest distance?
So 1 minute.
Okay.
Sir, 15?
15, 1-5.
Yes, sir.
Okay, we'll verify.
Sir, it's 15.
15
Sir,
only.
East
Okay.
15.
Okay. Let me verify. One day Ravi left home and cycled 10 kilometers southwards. Okay, south 10. Then turn right. South to right means?
Yes.
Tell me. South to right.
West.
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 Distance is
5.
5 kilometers. Then again right. West to right means?
North.
North. Next distance?
10.
10.
10. And turned left. So north to left means again?
North and south will be cancelled.
Yeah, we'll cancel that. We'll write the things first. And
Yes.
north to left means again west. Distance is 10 kilometers.
Yes, sir.
That's all. So that's
Sir,
over.
South and north.
Yeah, it is an easy question, correct? We can
Yes,
cancel
sir.
these two and directly we can add these two. So 5 plus 10, it is 15, correct?
Sir, distance from starting point will be west, right? Oh, sorry, direction. The direction from starting point will be west, right?
Yeah, from the starting point, he is towards the west. Towards west, he is at 25 kilometers far. Sorry, 15 kilometers away from his home. Okay, now tell me in which direction he has to travel to reach the starting point again?
Sir, east.
Sir,
Yes,
East.
very good. That is towards east. So with respect to initial position, final position is towards west. But if my question is reversed, with respect to final position, what is the direction of initial position? Then we have to reverse this one. Reverse of west will be east. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then next model changing. There are some more questions. I'll send these questions also in your PDF, okay? In your group. Try to
Sir, but
practice
before
them.
one we haven't got.
Sorry?
Before the class means on Tuesday, the notes was not uploaded.
Because that is not, the topic is not completed yet. That's why I have not uploaded. Today we'll complete the topic and I will upload the.
Okay,
upload
sir.
these things. Okay. Next model is points based problems.
Sir, could you upload all of these questions? Like, could you give them?
I'll give this PDF. I'll upload this PDF in our WiseApp some resources. In WiseApp
Sir,
resources.
Have
I'll
you posted the recording?
No need to post it. Actually, it will be there in our WiseApp, correct? Cloud only.
Yes, sir. It's there in the Wise app. You have to go inside the class.
Sir, this answer is
Yeah, if you
option
have any
nine,
doubts, you can
northeast.
go through those videos also. Okay, next we'll do points based problems. So here in the previous case, we have escaped from drawing the diagram, correct? In the previous case.
Yes, sir.
But here we have to draw the diagram because the
Sir,
points are
answer
given.
is northeast.
So answer is northeast. Okay, let me draw the diagram. A is to the south of B. A is to the south of B. So if B is here, on the south of B it is A. Next is and C is to the east of B. Okay, to the east of B somewhere it will be. Here distances are not mentioned. That is of our choice. So C is here. Next, that's all.
Could you
Okay.
post all of
Question
these
is,
questions in the WiseApp afterwards?
sorry.
Sir,
Sorry?
could you post all of these questions afterwards in the WiseApp?
I'll post all these questions, solved questions as well as the remaining questions also I'll post.
Yes, sir. Okay, sir.
So that you can practice, and if you have any doubts, you can ask me again. Okay, here the question is, in which direction A is with respect to C? So here with respect to means the reference is C. So from that C, if you see from C, A is in which direction? Towards
Southwest.
Southwest.
So answer is southwest. Okay. Next question.
So C should be the the point which you are considering.
So here this
Sir, I
point is
did
already
by
mentioned.
ulta by mistake.
With respect to of from these words represent the reference. So here the reference is C. With reference to C, with respect to C, A is in which direction? That is the question. When your eye is at C, you need to see A in which direction? Southwest, correct?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Next question. Oh, time is getting. There are three more models are there: shadows based and clock based and compass based problems. Okay, let us try. Next one. Answer for this.
Sir, could you scroll up?
Yes, see, y is to the east of x, correct? Is it correct?
Yes, sir. Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Here, which is means here, which represents which letter, x or y?
X.
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 X, correct. So remember these words. These words are very
Nowadays.
important. And while, but. And while, but. These words represent, in most of the cases, these words represent first person in the just before sentence. First person in the just before sentence. Next, who, whose, whom, which, who, whose, whom, which. These words represent a second person in the just before sentence. Okay, remember these words. These are very common in our reasoning. So here in directions, we have come across this which. In blood relations also we'll see. Toshnika, tell me.
So when they said P is to the south of Z, so Z is to which direction with respect to P, sir?
P is to the south of Z means Z will be the north of P.
Okay, yeah,
Reverse.
okay. I had the small dot. Yeah, that's done, sir.
Okay. So is it okay? Box, blue color box.
Yes, sir, clear.
Okay. Next, which is so here we can separate these two sentences by replacing which by the letter X, correct?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now X is to the north of Z. X is north of Z means Z will be south of X, correct? Yes or no? X is
Yes,
to the
sir.
north of Z. Next, if P is to the south of Z, P is south of Z means Z is to the north of P.
P.
So Z is on the north of P. So this will be P and Z is on the north of P. Or we can say P is to the south of Z. Next, that's all. Diagram is over. Now the question is, P is in which direction with respect to Y? So here, what is the reference?
Y.
With
Y
respect
is
to-
the reference.
Yeah, Y is the reference. So from Y, in which direction we need to see P?
Southeast.
Southwest.
Towards
Southwest,
southwest.
actually.
Southwest.
Southwest.
Okay. So
So
this
but
is the way
option
to
is not
do.
there. Okay, none of
Sorry?
these. Nothing, sir.
None of these is there. So none of the given options is correct according to our answer. So answer is none of these.
Sir, but sometimes it's like whether none of these is correct or not. So we tend to select the other options.
No. If there is none of these, compulsory our answer will be there. Sometimes, not sometimes. If our answer is not there in the option, then we have to take this one only, compulsory. What is the choice for this? What is your doubt, Piyush?
No, sir, I'm telling that sometimes we feel that none of this is wrong, so that's why.
Okay,
Sir, I
okay,
didn't
okay.
say anything, sir.
If you are confident with your answer, then you don't feel like that.
Yes,
But
sir,
if
that's
you're
what I'm
guessing,
saying.
Sir, I
Sir,
didn't
I
say.
don't think Piyush was talking to you, sir.
Yes, sir. I
I
didn't
think
say
someone named
anything.
Neha Jain is talking to you.
Sorry.
Yes, sir.
Nihar,
After Nihar was talking, I was talking.
Okay, 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 okay.
Oh,
Because I cannot see all the persons at a time, but that's why I don't know who is speaking. Okay, we'll do this thing or we'll move on to the another type.
Then we'll do one more and then move to other one.
One more question.
Yes, sir.
Okay, do this. M is to the east of D. D, and this side is M. F is to the south of D. This is F. And K is to the west of F. Okay, west of F.
So it's northeast.
yes, sir, it's northeast.
Okay, this is F, and west of F is K. K is to the west of F.
Yes, sir,
M is-
northeast.
Okay, the question is over and the data is over. M is in which direction with respect to K? So here the reference is
K.
K. So if you see from K, M is in which direction? Towards
Northeast.
northeast. That's all. So answer is northeast. Okay, so we are moving on to another type, that is shadows. Shadows based problems. We'll see shadows concept here only. Yeah. See, the heading is shadow positions in the morning. Shadow positions in the morning. Person is here. Try to understand this. If you understand this, we can answer shadow problems without using pen and paper. Okay. Person is at origin. Suppose in the morning, sun is in which direction? Sun is, tell me, sun is in which direction in the morning?
Sir, east.
East direction. If person is in the middle, where will be his shadow? On the east
The
or
west.
north or south or west?
Sir, to the west.
West.
Towards west. Yes. Now tell me, the person, if the person is facing north, this shadow is to the left of north, left of this person or right of this person?
Left.
Left. That's why I have combined these two. North means left. In the morning case, north means left. Shadow will be on the left means he is facing north. Okay. And suppose if the person is facing south, shadow is on the left of him or right of him?
Right.
Right.
Right
Means
of him.
that's why south means right. So if the person is facing south, his shadow will be on the right side. Or if I say a shadow is on the right side, you have to say person is facing south. Okay. Just use this thing.
Yes,
So
sir.
for this arrow, this point is in front or back or right or left? Tell me, for this arrow, this point, this dot is front or left or right or back?
The front.
Front.
Above.
Front. If the dot is here,
Behind.
behind or back? If the dot is here,
The right side.
Right.
right. If the dot is here,
Left.
left. Suppose for this arrow, if the dot is here,
Left.
left. If the dot is here,
Behind.
Back.
behind or back? Dot is here,
Front.
front. If the dot is here,
Right.
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 so simply consider this dot as shadow. In our case, this dot is the shadow. Okay, dot is shadow. Now tell me, the person is facing west, shadow is in
Front.
front of him.
Front.
If the person is facing east, shadow is
Back.
Back.
back of him. So all these points are written here. See, if the person is facing north, if the person faces north, shadow is on the left. Person faces south, shadow is on right. Person faces east, shadow is on back. and person faces west, shadow is in front. Correct? Correct or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
All
it's
these cases are in the morning shadow positions. So if the case is evening, then all these things will be
Sir, reverse.
the reverse.
reversed. Simply
And
reversed.
walking
Left
opposite.
will be right and right will be left and front will be back will be front. Correct or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay, let me ask one question here. Suppose morning, shadow, front. Morning, shadow, front. You have to give me the facing direction, person facing direction. Tell me.
West.
West.
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? Because the sun will be on the back side. So the point is already here. Morning, shadow, I have given shadow is in front, correct? So person is facing west. Okay. And answer this one. Evening, shadow right. Evening, shadow right. Person facing?
North.
Person is facing north, correct?
North.
Understood this thing?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, if you are clear with this, I already told shadow based problems we can answer without using pen and paper. See, so here without doing any process, directly we are going to answer this. One morning, okay, it is morning, and Gopal was facing a pole, okay. The shadow of pole was fell exactly to his right, okay. And we need the points here. Morning, Gopal, this is his means Gopal, right. So morning shadow is right means Gopal is facing which direction?
So south.
Yes, sir.
That's all. Answer is south. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Here don't concentrate on whose shadow is this. It can be a pole or it can be some other person. Don't concentrate on whose shadow is this. We have to concentrate on to whom this shadow is right or left or front or back. Okay. So
Yes.
here the complete question in our understandable format is in the morning, shadow, right of Gopal. Morning shadow right of Gopal means Gopal is facing south. Yes or no? So answer is south. That's all.
Yes, sir.
Okay, we'll do one more question. Here, how many persons are there?
So
Sir,
2
15
persons.
people.
So
Rita and
15.
Kavita, correct?
2%.
2 persons are there. So in the previous case, there is a pole. In place of pole, he has given one more person. So is it morning or evening?
Sir, morning after
Morning,
sunrise.
sir.
morning.
Morning. Okay. Shadow is
Right.
right of
Right.
whom?
Rita.
Rita. So here we can say the facing direction of Rita, correct?
Yes, sir. South.
Yeah.
Sir,
Morning
south.
shadow
Yes,
right
sir.
means Rita is facing
South.
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 But here the question is in which direction Kavita is facing. So he has given one point. The 2 persons are facing each other face to face. So if Rita is
So
facing
north.
south,
North.
It
Kavita
will be
will
north.
be facing north.
Oh, okay, sir.
Better?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes. Let us do one more question based on the same. Morning or evening?
Evening.
Evening, sir.
Evening. And here 2 friends talking to each other face to face only.
Right. It is right.
Mohit's shadow falls to his right. So his means who is his?
Mohit.
Mohit, sir.
So the same person, Mohit only. So Mohit right side. This is required for us. Mohit right side. So evening shadow right means Mohit is facing
North.
North.
Sir.
North.
north. So here Mohit is facing north, but the question is Sumit.
Sumit.
Then Sumit will be facing
Sir, it's south.
South.
South, sir.
south. Yes, south. Okay, maybe you are answering now, it is okay, but you have to answer even after 1 day or even after 2 days also in the same way.
Sir, will
Okay.
we have a weekly test on this?
Sir, the time is up.
Time is up, and do you have any other class immediately?
Yes, sir. At 5:15 we have, sir.
Sir, we have it after 15 minutes.
Okay. We'll do this question and we'll wind up the session. And two
Sir,
more
is there going
models.
to be
And
test? Sir, is there going to be test for this?
if you want, I'll try.
Yes, sir.
Yes, please.
But this Sunday not
Sir, we
possible.
want
Next
our-
Sunday.
Next Sunday. Next Sunday.
Next Sunday.
Okay.
Oh,
Okay,
From
sir,
the next
next
Sunday, we'll
Sunday.
see. Okay, we'll do this question and we'll wind up the session. Same thing. Here after 4 p.m. morning or evening?
Sir, evening.
Evening.
Evening, okay. And sunny day, Ramesh was returning from his school and he saw his uncle and coming opposite direction. Okay, this is required for us, opposite direction. His uncle talked to him for some time. Ramesh saw the shadow of his uncle falling to his right side. So here, who is his?
Ramesh.
Ramesh.
Yes, Ramesh only. So Ramesh right side here. Ramesh right side. Okay. So here, evening, shadow right means he is facing which direction?
North.
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 So here the question is, in which direction
South.
his uncle is facing?
South.
So there is a big story, but we have answered it in without taking anything.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay. Then there are two more models: clock-based problems and compass-based problems, and we'll complete those two models, and we'll take another topic also.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
First, we will
Okay,
take
sir.
calendar or clocks or anything in the next week.
Bye, sir.
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
Bye.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Thank you,
Bye.
sir. Bye, sir.
Take care.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Thank you, sir.